Hiya Duck! Today I'm going to show you how to do a vertical ombre. Vertical, not horizontal, vertical. Do you know how I remember that? The vertical and the horizontal thing. It's clearly an ADHD thing. Vertical blinds are always like this.
Yeah.
And horizontal, the horizon is always like this. So horizon, horizontal.
Yeah.
That's how I remember it. I had to go through my entire education at school doing those kind of things.
Really?
Yeah, because I couldn't remember stuff. Because, yeah.
I used to put things into a song.
Oh, that's quite
Like
good.
into a rhyme.
Yeah.
And figure out how stuff from that.
Do you know what?
If I needed to remember stuff, so if I was
Yeah.
revising for an exam and I just needed to remember a lot of stuff, I'd do it in a rhyming thing.
See, top tips. Right, so what we're going to do is I've already prepared an Acrygel nail for you. And if you're wondering what colour I've used, it is Au Natural. It's a beautiful colour. So I wanted something pale in the background. So I thought, well, we'll use the Acrygel. I love it. We're going to start with our base coat. So this nail's already been filed and buffed. So this is the base coat. This is going to give you maximum adhesion, and you'll notice I'm really sparing with it, and I'm kind of like massaging it into.
You really are pushing, like pulling it off.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I want to keep it nice and thin, super thin. You're kind of like rubbing it into the nail, giving it a massage. Cure that 30 seconds into the lamp. Colours that I'm going to use today are these three colours. So we've got Velvet, which is our deep purple. And then we've got Vegas Baby, which is our gorgeous bright purple. And then I'm going to use this colour, which is MRGN, Morgan, which is a bright pink. Those are my colours of choice for today. So we're going to start with the darkest colours at the edges and the lightest colours in the middle. Okay, I'm going to pop the colours out onto my palette. I'm going to go into the product and I'm giving it a bit of a wiggle because what I want to do is make sure that all of those bristles, what is that about? The bristles are saturated with product. Look at that. And don't worry about getting like a super like even line. We're just applying product at this point. We're going to press down as we go down. But if you want to create like super perfect lines, the Lily Long Legs brush is the perfect brush for you. So we're going to take that like a third of the width across the nail, put down the centre, then that leaves room for the other colour and then the other colour. Make sense? Not going to cure that. Going to clean the brush, take out the excess, quick dip into the clean-up solution. Then we're going to go into Vegas Baby. Again, loading the same. Loading of the brush is very important. Just gently teasing that to the cuticle. Bring that down. And you can let them touch. That is fine. So now we're going to do this on both sides. You can also do this with 2 colours, you don't have to do 3, you could even do more colours. Have an experiment and see how you like it. Again, clean the brush. Then into our deepest, darkest colour, which is Velvet, which is our very dark purple. Clean the brush. Then we're going to use the fade brush. And we're going to drag down, 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 down. So these colours merge a little bit. Don't worry about this being a perfect blend at this stage because there will be 2 layers of this. Then clean your brush and we're going to come onto the pink and the paler purple. Now take off excess. And come through it again. You can see we're starting to get that ombre already. Same with this. Just want a tiny bit more of this darker colour here. Now what I want to do before I cure this layer is we're going to take some clear acrylic powder and we're going to sprinkle this over the top.
Make it snow.
Make it snow. Oh, we don't want snow. I mean, it is a bit warm today and I'll probably be a bit grateful of it today, but...
It's a bit cooler today than it was yesterday.
Yeah.
Which is good, because yesterday was absolutely boiling. Oh, it really does help. It sort of like, it mists it, doesn't it?
Yeah, we're going to pop that in. And then we're going to do... I don't think I have done it on here. I don't think I've done it on the channel.
Obviously, I've seen you actually sugar something.
Yeah.
Dust something, but
yeah.
not
like that.
Not to help technique.
And what it's going to do now is we're going to repeat this process. And because the powder's on there, it's going to really grab onto the gel polish and it'll help you with your blend. So we're going to repeat the process, yeah? We're going to do the pink first. Let me just dust this a little bit, get any excess on.
So it looks like it's glowing.
That's what I want. I want it to like, you know, because we've done the darker at the edge.
Yeah.
I want it to look like it sort of is glowing. pull it down. Clean the brush, load the brush. Same on the other side. And then with our darkest colour, fade brush. Let's get this blended. Take off any excess. And then I'm going to come across to the pink. You can do shorter strokes so you can control the blend. And I'm going to go from top to bottom, take off excess. Nice, look at the difference between the blended side and the unblended side. Same on this side, starting with the outer edge first. And again through the pink and the purple. And we've got that gorgeous blend. Let's pop that in the lamp. So because we put the acrylic on, it makes it a little bit more porous. So the acrylic powder makes it more porous, so it makes it really grab onto the gel polish more. So if you ever struggle to do any kind of ombre, using that technique of putting the acrylic powder on, it's a game changer. Oh, I love it already, I love it. I think it's a matte top coat one though.
You think?
Do you think, or do you think shiny?
I think it'll look cool, matte. Yeah.
I think matte.
But will it still look like it glows if it's matte?
We'll do it matte, and then if I don't like it, I'll put glossy on. Right, okay. I do like it shiny though. I mean, it looks shiny now, doesn't it? But we're just going to see what it looks like being matte. Matte. It is nice, matte. What do you think?
Yeah, it's still got that glow.
I like it matte.
Yeah, it's definitely still got the glow there.
Yeah. So we chose 3 colours. You could choose 2. And you'll get that sort of mix here. Have a go and let me know how you get on, because I want to know if you find this technique easier to do any kind of ombre. Just sprinkling a little bit of that clear acrylic over the top. I've used glass slipper, obviously, from our range. You can use any clear acrylic, I'm sure it'll work exactly the same. But yeah, there you are. A gorgeous, vertical, tricolour ombre.
Nice.
Nice. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and all that shebang. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra, duck!